The R83 is a 3/4 inch stacked valve with a high flow rate of 20 gallons per minute. The upper control and lower control each have one function. The upper control delivers 10 gallons per minute and the lower control delivers 7.4 gallons per minute. The upper control outlet is 3/4 inch NPT and is at 12 o'clock here. The lower control outlet is 3/4 inch NPT and is at 3 o'clock here. The hot and cold supplies lines are at 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock respectively. What is unique about this valve is there are also two 1/2 inch NPT outlets that will deliver almost 3 gallons per minute each, here and here. But to use these outlets, you must install a 1/2 inch volume control, as there is not a volume control in the rough. As you can see in this model, there is a 1/2 inch R20 volume control installed. If the R83 rough is installed with the lines reversed, by the way, there is no reverse cartridge. You will have to change the supply connections. This is a 3/4 inch NPT male inlet connection only. If you want to use PEX, please source adapters at your supplies house. We suggest oversizing the connection to have full flow. This is the stud bay. This model is wood, but you may see installations out in the field that would be 2x4 metal. The first feature I'm going to speak about is the plastic guard. It's to protect the valve after installation and during the mounting of the solid surface or tile. A plumber will estimate the finished wall and then adjust the stringer accordingly. The installation depth on this valve is a generous 3 1/4 minimum and 4 3/4 inches maximum. There are no extension kits. The guard has indications that clearly show the minimum and maximum measurements. The service stops are in the open position on removal from the box. That's here. To operate these stops, use a standard slotted screwdriver, screw each stop in until it stops, and then that will shut off the hot and cold supply. There are no service plugs, but the cartridges are sent with the trim. The cartridges are not installed, and after flushing the valve, they will be installed when the trim is put in. To flush the valve, turn the service stops to the close, remove the cartridges, and flush the valve for factory recommended 20 seconds. By the way, if the valve is to be installed with copper and you're going to sweat the connections, you're in luck. The stops can't be removed, and the cartridges are not installed when the valve is taken out of the box, so making those connections will be easy.